This tutorial will guide you through the process of recording Roblox gameplay using OBS. Whether you're a content creator or just want to capture your gaming sessions, this step-by-step guide will help you set up your OBS effectively so you can start recording high-quality videos. So, let's get started. So first, locate the OBS app. After you locate the OBS app, open the OBS app. As you can see, mine is already open. I'm going to record the tutorial so that you know how to do it by clicking the Start Recording button at the bottom right of the OBS screen. Now that we are recording, make sure that your Roblox app is already open as you can see in the video. If it is, click the Add button, which is located at the bottom of the OBS screen beside the trash icon. The menu appears. It's up to you if you want to record in a display capture mode, which is what I'm doing right now, where you can record everything. Or you can choose Windows Capture Mode, which only records one app, like the Roblox app, even if you switch to another app. Let's choose the Windows Capture Mode since you already see what display capture looks like. From here, it's up to you if you want to rename your Windows Capture Mode, like rename it Roblox if you want to, as you can see on the screen. After that, click OK so that we can proceed. While we're in the Properties tab, choose the Windows section since it's a Windows Capture Mode. While we're in the option, choose the Roblox player since you want to record a Roblox game. After you choose, click the OK button in the Properties tab. Just watch the video for the result. As you can see, I'm in a Roblox window. Now you can record the Roblox app and play the game as much as you want. You have successfully set up OBS to record your Roblox gameplay. By following these steps, you can create high-quality videos to share with friends or upload to your YouTube channel. Experiment with different settings and sources to enhance your recording further. Happy gaming and recording!